Oh no, no, no. My vida. Boss little. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk. Call me when.
Hey guys, I know I look like a ball, like my head looks like a mango. Oh my goodness. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my hair, and I actually learned this new technique that I'm going to be trying out. I don't know if you guys are hearing a sound. I have a fan in front of me literally because it's so hot. Okay, and if my voice sounds funny, I have a cold. I know it's crazy. The weather is really hot and I have a cold. That's because I literally have a fan in front of me all the time. It is super hot here, very hot. So I hope you guys like my new filming setup. I don't know if I'm going to settle for this or what. I really don't know for now. So anyway, the hair that I'm going to be using in this video is from Ishow hair. This is what the pack looks like. I really hope you guys can see it. I got 3 bundles of their body wave and a 13x4 frontal. I have 2 24 inches, 1 22 inches, and then the frontal is 20 inches. I made it into a wig. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I bleached the knots as well, so this is what it's looking like. I just like used my hair curler to curl it and just make this part flat. I just try to make it decent, honestly. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys how I install it today. I'm going to be using this new technique that I learned, but then I can't do a talk through just because if I'm doing a talk through I can't have my fan on and it's really hot. I don't want to be here sweating. The weather is really hot, so I'm just going to do a voiceover and I'll show you guys how I install this hair. So if you want to see how I get this hair installed, keep watching.
Anywhere you do, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want you loco. Nancy Colombo, hola Colombo. And me come on loco, baby, stop it photo. Anywhere you do, baby, me I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like say I want you loco. Nancy Colombo, hola Colombo. I wanna put on my hip,
Exclusive at LagosNigeria.com.
Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number. Hey, I gotta wait for your bus. Don't be late, no. I gotta wait for your call. You get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, don't delay, no. Hey, my nigga, Bamilori, I go. Bamilori, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for your call, no. My nigga, Bamilori, I go. Bamilori, I go. I gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for you. Oh no. My vida. Boss little. Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when you need somebody. Call me when you need someone.
Exclusive at LagosNigeria.com.
You got my number. I will wait for your bus. Don't be late, no. I will wait for your call. You get my number. I will wait for your call, no. Baby, don't be late, no. My nigga, Bamilori, I go. baby, stop it photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me, I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say, I want it loco. Nancy Colombo, Pala Colombo. And me come on loco, baby, stop it photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me, I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say, I want it loco. Nancy Colombo, Pala Colombo. Tell me what you want, doctor. Tell me where you want, doctor. When you come to me, when you need someone to talk. Oh, yeah. Tell me when you want some cuddling. Tell me when you want some kissing. Tell me when you need anything, baby. Cause you got my number. Wait for your call, no be shy, no be shy. Wait for your call, you got my number, my number. I be wait for your call, baby, don't be late, don't be late. When you go by me, lady, I go. My lady, I go to wait for you. I dey wait for you. When you go by me, lady, I go. My lady, I go. I dey wait for you. I dey wait for you. Let me come on, loco, baby, stop it photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me, I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say, I want it loco. Nancy Colombo, Pala Colombo. Let me come on, loco, baby, stop it photo. Anywhere you there, baby, me, I wanna go to. Anytime I see you, be like, say, I want it loco. Nancy Colombo, Pala Colombo. Now I put on my import, I wanna put yeah.
Exclusive at LagosNinja.com.
Call me when you're feeling sick. Call me when you're feeling down. Call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely. Call me when.
So guys, I realized that my lace was quite darker than my skin. That was because I didn't leave it to bleach for longer than I should have. But then you can honestly fix this with just applying your highlight concealer, and I did that afterwards when I noticed that it was quite darker than my skin tone. So I'll just advise that you do that, because I had like a bright light source in front of me. I don't know how I didn't notice that, but then when you're doing this, just make sure your lace matches your skin tone. You can honestly fix this by just using your highlight concealer. So I just thought I should leave that out here so you guys don't come for me in the comment section. Yeah, bye. So guys, I'm done with my makeup and everything. As you can see, I didn't do too much, but then I just wanted to come on here and like finish this part of the video for you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to take off the band right now. I just hope you can hear me, because fan is very hot. I'm sorry I can't switch it off. So yeah, this is what our baby hairs are looking like. It looks snatched. Then I'll still fix it, so I'll just do that right now. I'll plug in my hot iron, and then I have to wait for like 5 minutes for it to get hot before I can do anything. But then, as you can see, I didn't do any plucking at all to this hair. Like, I didn't pluck at all. First of all, I'm a very, very lazy person when it comes to plucking, and I don't really like to over pluck my frontals, just because I feel like with time it's going to like shed, and like it's very, very normal for any kind of frontal. With time it's going to shed, and like you're going to lose some hair, so I don't like to over pluck. But then for this frontal, I did not have to do anything at all. Like I literally did not use any tweezers, whatever. I didn't use anything on this frontal, and it looks this bomb. So that's what I have to say. After a while, I'm going to come on here and give you guys like a full review on this hair and tell you what I think about it after I've worn the hair for a while. But then for now, I really think it is so soft, and I experienced 0 to no shedding when I was making the wig and when I was brushing it out. And okay, when I was brushing it out, I experienced like very, very little shedding, but I believe that was because I cut the wefts. When you cut the wefts, you tend to have like more shedding on the hair. And the frontal is definitely pre-plucked. It is definitely pre-plucked. Like I didn't have to do anything, like I said. And I bleached the frontal. It didn't come pre-bleached. I bleached it myself, but then I feel like you can just go ahead to like just put foundation. That's basically all I did. I have in 3 bundles, 2 24 inches and 1 22 inches, and then my frontal is 20 inches. I really did not do much to this hair, and if there's anything else I need to say that I haven't said, I'm going to leave like the links to the hair and everything in the description bar below. Leave everything you need to know about this hair in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and curl it. I already did curlies, but then I have been doing a lot of brushing and all of that to the hair, so I'd have to like curl the front again, so you guys will see what that looks like. But so far this is amazing. Like you guys can see, what I love the most about this hair, if you're lazy like me and you don't like to like pluck your wigs or anything, I'll say go for this wig, because me, I don't like to pluck. I'm so lazy when it comes to plucking my hair, and this, I feel like this is the perfect hair for me, honestly. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use my flat iron to like make this thing look more natural, and I'll put some mousse, you know, do the curling and all of that. So
call me when you're feeling sick, call me when you're feeling down, call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely, call me when you need somebody, call me when you need someone to talk to. You got my number, hey. I gotta wait for your bus, don't be late, no. I gotta wait for your call, you get my number. I gotta wait for your call, no. Maybe don't be late, don't delay, no. Hey, my nigga, Babylon, I go. Babylon, I go. I gotta wait for you.
I'm done. As you can see, this hair takes curls really well. I'm so sorry, I'm just all over the place. I'm trying to like make this video without the fan on, and it's really hot, so I'm just very uncomfortable. So I'm just very uncomfortable. Hope you like this video, and if you like to see more like so this is my thank you so much for 1.4K subscribers so far. As you can see, let me know what more videos you like to see. Popping, it takes curls. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Call me when you're feeling sick, call me when you're feeling down, call me when you need someone to talk to. Call me when you're feeling lonely, call me when you need somebody, call me when you need some exclusive.